configuration management strategy, you will make use of the change team. The change team will give you the approach and procedure to carry out whatever you need to do for that domain area expertise. Okay. So when you are initiating a project during your detailed planning, you have to prepare the configuration management strategy. If you do not know how to prepare a configuration management strategy, for the first time you are using PRINCE2, you can go to your PRINCE2 manual, change thing, and it give you the steps how to do configuration management strategies. Okay, so now we are looking at the change team. Okay, so change team will cover or will apply to all your 7 principles. Okay, so you want to control changes so that you can make sure your projects deliver the business benefit that defined in your business case. Okay, define in your project plan in the business case. So you want to control the changes. Okay, if most projects fail because you allow every day you allow the user to demand for changes, will your project ever complete on time, on cost? Never, right? Can never, right? That's why you want to control the changes. It's not cannot change. It says it has to, the change has to be justified. Every change that is being approved, you need to examine what are the consequences. Will it impact my business case, the benefits of my business case? Will it impact my timeline, my cost, and everything else? Okay, so that is being handled by the change team. Okay, so you need to control the changes. Okay, so you will touch all the 7 principles that we have done in the first day of your PRINCE2 training. The 7 principles, right? Continue business certification, learn from experience, define role and responsibility, manage by stages, manage by exception, focus on product, tailor it. Okay, whether you want to follow the change in wholesale or not, you can tailor that as well. Okay, so that's that. So in a change team or in your configuration management, so you want to identify, assess, and control any potential and approve changes to baselines. Okay, once a management product or what we call specialist product, your product description is baseline. If there's any changes need to be made to the baseline product, it has to go through a formal change control procedure. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so your change will interface or link with your configuration management very tightly. Okay, so you have issue and change control, and also you have configuration management. Okay, so it's all linked very tightly, which we will go into that shortly after on configuration management. Okay, so do you know what is the baseline? By the way, configuration management is to identify, track, and protect the products, right? Fauzia, as you mentioned earlier, your configuration management system is in your company is what? Tracking what? Okay, whatever is in production. Okay, okay. That means most company will have will track the changes for things that already in life, in your life production environment. Okay, if you are a software development company or want to track your productions as well, right? You have two separate servers. One is the configuration management system to track only the live implemented assets, as you said, your software, your documentation, all those are properly version control and track, okay? And if you are a software company, your different version of in the development server, they also want to track, okay? So at any point of time, they can always roll back to the previous version or not, okay? Once it's a approved version, then it will be deployed to the what we call the live server or the implementation server. So that's that. Okay. So when we do change team here, it's a bit confusing because it has two different procedures. One is change control procedure, and then one is your configuration management procedure. So there are two procedures you have to look into. Okay. So the when we talk about configuration management, is identify, track, and protect your project products. Okay. What are project products? All your output, your specialist output, and also your whatever in the bit, your project plan, your business case,
the project product description.
Yeah, the management product. Okay, so you want to track that as well. Okay, so in your configuration management system. Okay, so you have this product, your project product. It can be services or a documentation of how the new way of working. That can be your project product. Okay. Component, issues and change control. Okay. Normally, issue and change control procedure will be integrated into your configuration management.